The former president faces legal battles on many fronts. I review some of those biggest battles. I looked for perspective today, legally and from political scholars, and the theme is one I hear often these days: worried about a polarized country. The January 6th attack on the U.S. Capitol has House Democrats demanding criminal charges against the former president, including inciting an insurrection. The Justice Department must decide. In Georgia, a state probe on whether then-President Trump tried to overturn the 2020 vote. Mar-a-Lago and the special counsel probe into classified documents found there. President Biden faces a similar probe. I talked today with FAU political scholar Dr. Kevin Wagner. How scary is it when you now have a country that has such a partisan divide that we can't even agree on the definition of justice or the pursuit of justice and what's fair or unfair? Fundamental issues.
And when we start believing that our court systems are not neutral, that our court systems are partisan, we're in an entirely different realm. And it's hard to have a sustainable democracy where there isn't trust in elections and there isn't trust that the system itself is not biased to one side or the other.
The hush money payment allegations in New York are ones that top federal prosecutors decided not to pursue. So why then, some in the legal community are asking, is the Manhattan District Attorney poised to do just that?
There is no doubt that there's a perfect example of weaponizing the Manhattan District Attorney, and there is no doubt that that is a perfect example, textbook example of prosecutorial misconduct.
Stuart Kaplan there, former FBI agent, a defense attorney now. The country watches, waits, and debates. Yet again, we'll keep you up to date on the newest developments surrounding the former president and, of course, what's happening in New York City. Use the QR code on your screen to download our free WPTV News app and have updates sent to your phone.